Hey guys. Yeah, same day. Didn't sleep in my clothes. Didn't get up and put the same clothes on. Um, but while it's still fresh on my mind, I wanted to go ahead and give you your Google Classroom sign-in names. Well, not your names, but your code. You'll need two things to access Google Classroom. One is your code. Your code is case sensitive, which means that you need to make sure that when you're typing it in that all the letters are lowercase. If you throw in an uppercase letter, it will kick it back and it will not allow you to get in. So all of your letters need to be lowercase. So for my homeroom, which is you need get a minute and grab a pencil. And you can write this right on your Team Talk. I'll wait just a second and let you get it. All right. You can always rewind me. It's 3 D P P A P V. So I'm going to read it one more time. 3 D P P A P V. Now, you all know that I'm not extremely tech savvy. So if for some reason you need additional help with this, you'll have to contact me, and I've got someone who I can contact that can help me make this a little easier, I hope, or answer any questions that you may have if I can't answer them. So you're going to go to google.com, and then you're going to sign in the top right corner using your school email and your password. So some of you are going, I don't know my password. I don't know my email. Before I left school, I printed all of your passwords. So if you don't know your password, log into 5th, 6th grade Facebook, and I will give you your password, or you can shoot me an email at 344-6147, which would probably be the best thing. That way it'd be a little more protected. Everybody wouldn't know your password. And then I can make sure you have what you need. So once you've signed in, you're going to click on the Google Apps. That's those little dots in a row up there. And you're going to select your classroom. And you're going to select Miss Kim. And once you've done that, it allows you to sign in. And then you can go ahead and upload your questions for me. So for day 1, we know that you're going to be doing question number 4. Okay. And I'm just going to be honest, I really like question 3. And I know it's a right-on question that we would normally do in class anyway. But it's a strong question. Not that 1 and 2 aren't important, and not that we won't go over 1 and 2. But I really want to see your thought processes for 3 and 4. So those are the 2 that I want you to go ahead and add to the Google Classroom so that I can take a look at it. Okay? So, other than that, I think that's it. What I do want you to know is that as of right now, we should be coming back to school April 20th. And when we do, I'm going to take a couple of days, the first couple of days we're back, looking at everyone's notebooks, making sure that you did all of the assigned work. And then we'll move on to our next book, Letters from a Slave Girl. But it's very important for me to make sure that you have done all of the work so that I can kind of take a look at what did you score on the test, and does that score relate to, yeah, they did all the questions, we did all the work together, or does your score on the test show that you really didn't do the work? And that's what I'm going to be looking for, trying to find those correlations. Also this week, I'm going to be pulling our iReady reports to determine who has done the iReady lessons from last week. So you're not off the hook on iReady lessons, guys. I still have to download those. I still have to send them to the board so that Mr. Frank can upload those to Frankfurt, showing that you all have done work. Just like these work samples will also, if I understand correctly, will be sent to Frankfurt as well to show that this distance learning is taking place and that it is relevant learning. So keep that in mind, guys. These Google Classroom assignments are not truly just for me. They are for the State Department to know that we are working, so that when we come back on April 20th, that they're not going to make us go on to school in through June or whatever, because it's a little unknown at this point how all of this is going to play out. So better safe than sorry. Get the work done. If you find yourself stuck, please give me a shout out. I'll be checking my emails all through the day from here on out. I have access here at home to do that. And I'm here for you guys. Be ready for a phone call. Some of you all may have gotten a call yesterday. And the rest of you all will be getting calls today or throughout the week. I'm going to do so many a day. To see that you're okay. See, do you need anything? Do you have any questions about the work? And to make sure that you have everything that you need, that you can be successful. And that's what's important to me, that you've got what you need. And if you have any questions, that might be a time to give me a shout out as well. But as of right now, guys, adios. We're good to go.